Hello, hello, second graders. This is 113A. Make sure you have your ruler out. The first thing I need to do is I need to draw a 7 centimeter line segment. Here's 7. There's my line. And I need to find the date, or see how long that line segment is. And it is 5. All right. The children in we'll call her A, Mrs. A's class chose their favorite fruits. 8 children chose bananas, 15 children chose oranges, and 7 children chose apples. Color the graph to show how many children chose each type of fruit. All right. So the first one was bananas. So 8 children chose bananas. So I'm going to find my banana column. I'm going to go over. Here is the 8. I'm going to color that in. Okay, next one was oranges, and 15 children chose oranges. Now remember, this is going up by 2s, so 15 would be in between 14 and 16. Here are my oranges. And 7 children chose apples. So 7 would be in between 6 and 8. There we go. There is my bar graph. Now it says, write a question for the graph. So what kind of question can we come up with? Well, a lot of graphs always ask for who chose the most or what fruit had the most. So let's go with that one. All right. So we're writing a question. What fruit was chosen, or what fruit was not chosen, sorry. What fruit was the favorite? And I need to put a question mark after that. Number 2, about how much might the lunchbox of a child in your classroom weigh? So a lunchbox, think about your lunchbox. Well, jeepers creepers, it's not going to be 200 pounds. And I wouldn't think it'd be 100 pounds. 40 pounds, no way. How about 4 pounds? All right, you're going to need your ruler again. We need to measure each side of this shape in centimeters. Ooh, and the first one says the vertical. We haven't used vertical in a while. And vertical, think about me jumping in class, is how high I can go. So vertical would be 3. Oblique is the diagonal one. And that is 5. And horizontal is going across, and that is 4. So we need to find the perimeter, and remember, when we find the perimeter, we have to add them up. So 3 plus 5 plus 4. 5 and 4 is 9, plus 3 is 12. 12 centimeters. It is dark outside. What time is it? Okay, here's my hour hand. The hour hand is 11. So I'm going to count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, And since it is dark outside, it is going to be PM. Next one, we are going to compare the numbers 33 and 53. I know 53 is bigger, so the alligator is going to eat the bigger number. 8 plus 37. I'm going to do that one over here on the side. 8 plus 7 is 15. Carry the 1. Bring down the 5. 3 plus 1 is 4. So I have 45 here. And I need to think of my times. 9 times 5. Well, think about what is this when we do the clock. You're right. It's 45. So those are, you got it, equal. All right. 16 minus 7 is 9. And 14 minus 6 is 8. 9 is bigger than 8. So my alligator's mouth is going to go there. 59 plus 87, I need to write that out. Stack your place values on top of each other. 9 plus 7 is 16. Carry the 1, bring down the 6. 8 plus 5 is 13. Plus 1 more is 14. 146. 74 minus 28. More on the floor. Go next door. Borrow 10 more. 7 becomes a 6. 4 becomes a 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. 46. Last problem for today. 291 plus 4, 87. 7 plus 1 is 8. 9 plus 8 is 17. Carry the 1, bring down the 7. 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. 778. All right. 113B is your homework. And 113B, the facts, is also your homework. Have a good night. Let me know if you have any questions, and we'll see you tomorrow.